Hey guys, how are you? So anyone of them who like to draw any type of sketch, so take any one of the blank paper. So start from bottom to draw. This is one of the trick to draw anything. So you can got perfectly catch that how to draw any of the type of the sketch. So you can see that how it looks very perfectly. Then I start from bottom to draw any type of sketch. Like I am drawing right now Krishna sketch. So when I draw that you can feel that it truly looks perfectly to draw. So this is one of the tricks to draw any type of sketch. Slowly start it from bottom to top and you can see that how it looks like very perfect. You can do more perfect in this sketch if you want. Anyone like to draw any type of sketch, then comment me. I'll also upload videos sometime, so you can watch how it looks like, how I am drawing. Also see where it started from and how currently I am drawing this sketch. Everything you can notice here, so that you can become to draw this type of sketch also. Comment me please if you think that starting from bottom. If you want to draw any type of the beautiful sketch, then you can start from bottom. Please try to start from bottom so it looks very nice. So normally I have started to take in one blank page and started, and here's the look, very aesthetic look. Really it looks in a real way that how I am draw. And also you can see I have started from middle and from bottom, so that from middle to left and right hand side page. You can see that I have started from left side because it got easily catch to draw anything. So in left hand side I am drawing cows, Krishna Gwala, Krishna Savari, and you can see started from lightly draw, from pencil drawing lightly, so that you can after that you can dark the shape. So right now putting some aesthetic to look sketch very beautiful and in a real way. So here sketching peacock, so that look here and there like flowery texture type, aesthetic type, very beautiful look. So sketching peacock feather to look like very flowery type. There is also some trick to draw the feather. So from top to you can see starting feather to draw broad to small. In bottom you can see small texture want to keep because it look like feathery look. That's why beautiful it's. So right now I am completing this drawing to look more beautiful this peacock in this sketch. So after this draw I will show you the picture full sketch, how it will look like sketch. So starting lightly again in right side of this page, you can see that in one way I have drawn this sketch of this peacock again in a very simple way, easy way, and it looks so nice. You can see use simple way or it's a tricky way. It's helping within to draw this sketch in a time. Without wasting any time, we can sketch this within the time in a correct manner. I also learn how to it looks like, and also in a texture way. So I will share this final look in the last of this video, how Krishna's and cow's peacocks looks like. So wait till end for the final look and enjoy watching this artwork till the end. you can see the final look of this artwork. It looks very nice. How it look like? Please comment down below guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end.